Hi everybody, I'm Juan Kaminsky-Ortiz from Rockwell Automation, and I'm the Senior Product Specialist for the on-machine drives. And today with me I have Ben Andres from Logistic. Ben, what do you do with Logistic? What is your title?
So I'm a controls engineering technician out of Logistic. We are a manufacturing plant in Port Clinton, Ohio.
And they're also one of our OEM Gold partners. And today he's showing us their demo. Can you tell us a little bit about the demo? What are you showcasing over here?
So we're showcasing the Streamline Plus. This is a manual pick and pull station. We deal with high volume operations, so fulfillment centers, distribution centers, sortation hubs.
So a lot of conveyance applications.
Yes.
Is there anything specific that they look for when implementing these kind of solutions?
Really the maintainability of the machine. So that's why we use the Armor PowerFlex drive, because it's on conveyance solution.
All right. Oh, now that you point to the Armor PowerFlex 350 drive, can you tell me a little bit of the functionality that you use out of them and how that helps implement these solutions?
Yeah, absolutely. So with the option of 6 inputs and 2 outputs, it gives us flexibility with our photo eyes, and also a safety, so we can field mount the safety as well. With Ethernet, we can daisy chain the Ethernet down the line, so we can go to drive as well with the power.
Well, safety is becoming really popular out there, right? More of a necessity now. So can you tell me a little bit about how you implement safety with the Armor PowerFlex 350? I sort of noticed like a pull cord.
So we use pull cord e-stops. We also use fencing, safety gates, and guarding.
So are you utilizing some of the network safety capabilities, or maybe somewhat even of the safety I/O channels?
So we use both.
So I'm assuming that for someone like this pull cord or e-stop, that's coming to the drive?
Yes.
And then that goes to the PLC, and that's how you do all your safety logic.
Yes.
Have you find that very beneficial, like easy to implement? I don't know, you or your partners, whoever you work to design this?
We don't have to have long runs back to the panel. I mean, it's all implemented on the drive. So, and it also gives feedback here from the safety.
So, talking about a Rockwell solution, is there any other products that you work with Rockwell, like PLCs, and how they integrate together? Do you find having the AOP or that like easier, quicker?
Yeah, absolutely. So with AOP, it has the auto-generated tags. So it's kind of like a seamless transition into the Logic software. So with the automatic device configuration, it's more of like a plug-and-play solution for us for any failures.
So that's have saved you time on installation and like recommissioning if you have to replace anything?
Yeah.
Thank you, Ben, for showing us your demo. If anybody's interested or wants more information about the Armor PowerFlex 350, you can visit the Rockwell website. You can also call your local distributors.
Thanks, Juan, for having us here at Automation Fair. For more information on Logistic, please visit our website.